Hey guys, so for my final project for my digital media class, I had to go online and Google search masterpiece paintings, and I had to take a photo and basically try to recreate the style. This is the painting that I chose. I printed out the photo, I bought some tracing paper, and I did the outline of it. And I put them both into Photoshop, into some layers, and try to overlap my trace over the original photo and try to play around with the opacity. And then, so this is the original, that's the painting, and this is how it came out. And with the effects that were in Photoshop, I used it to try to make it look more like canvas. You can see on like the boat and the pole. So yeah, trying to trace architecture is kind of harder than it looks, just because there's so many like angles, because the human eye can see the lines, you know what I mean, but when you try to go and draw it, you have to kind of add lines that aren't necessarily there, just to show, like here, if you can see, like to try and draw that half octagon type shape, or in the roof. The reflection in the water turned out better than what I was expecting to be honest. I had to draw a little bit of the reflection of the house into the water, like some of the details you couldn't really see through the tracing paper, so I would have to like try and freehand it. But yeah, so with my trace I colored it in, mixture of colored pencils and crayons, and then I added a little bit of marker. They're not too bad at all. I think it turned out pretty solid.